Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make Cincinnati chili in the Instant Pot. Let's do it! The first thing we're going to do is turn our Instant Pot on pressure cook or manual for 12 minutes. My husband's from Cincinnati and this is his mom's recipe, so let's give it a try. I've turned my Instant Pot on manual or pressure cook for 12 minutes. I'm going to put tomato juice in my Instant Pot. I will leave the recipe down below under show more so you'll know exactly how much I used of everything. I'm going to put my chopped onion in. Now I'm going to add our bay leaves. I don't know if you can see those. Couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. White distilled vinegar, and all my seasonings. This is 93% ground sirloin, so we're going to add it to our Instant Pot now. We're going to mix all this together. Now we're going to put the lid on. Make sure the venting valve is on sealed, and we're going to let it do its thing. After it's cooked for 12 minutes, we will let it do a self-release. The Instant Pot has done a self-release, so now let's open and check on our Cincinnati chili. Ah, smells so good. We're going to remove the bay leaves. If there's a few pieces of meat that did not shred, then take a fork and just break it apart. There's very little grease sitting on the top, so we're going to go ahead and have it for lunch. But when you put it in the refrigerator, what little bit of grease or fat is there will rise to the top and solidify, and you just take that off before you heat it again for your lunch tomorrow. This is the easiest, most quickest, simple way of making Cincinnati chili. So I think you should give this recipe a try, and I will have it down below under show more. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.